Christians did not invent science. Many Christians often claim that Christianity alone laid the foundation for modern science. However, in this video I will explain how non-Christian religious societies advance science. Greek polytheism. The groundwork for modern science was set by ancient Greek polytheistic thinkers. Hippocrates and Galen invented medicine. Archimedes developed maths and engineering. Pythagoras developed the Pythagorean theorem. Democritus discovered atomic theory. Aristotle developed the scientific method, studied zoology, and categorized elements. Ptolemy discovered the geocentric model of the solar system, and Hipparchus studied how the Earth rotates. Eratosthenes calculated the circumference of the Earth with knowledge that the Earth was round. The first hospitals were founded after the Greek god Asclepius. Islam. The first university in the world was the University of Al-Qarawiyyin in 859 AD, founded by Fatima al-Fihri. Medieval Muslims also invented algebra, the decimal system, invented the medicine cauterization, anesthesia, timekeeping devices, cure to meningitis, light physics with camera obscura, and engineering book of ingenious inventions. Muslims also discovered hydrochloric, nitric and sulfuric acids, and Abu Zayd al-Burki developed treatment of mental health. Judaism. Jews contributed to science in medieval times, like Moses Maimonides, who wrote on diseases, and Levi ben Gershon, who developed astronomical devices like Jacob's staff. Egyptian polytheism. Ancient Egyptians developed astronomy and celestial objects, base 10 number system, head surgery, mummification, medicine, construction, invented early calendars, and invented paper and glass. Hinduism. Hindus invented the number 0, the Fibonacci sequence, developed geometry with Sulbasutra's altars, medicine with rose reconstruction, stone bladder removal, physics and electromagnetism with the Vedic texts. Taoism. Taoists developed astronomy with star charts and developed chemistry with herbal medicine and invented gunpowder. Jainism. Jains developed a form of atomic theory with Paramus and had a similar belief of the conservation of matter. Sikhism. Sikhs have made various scientific advancements in history. Narinder Singh Kapani discovered fiber optics, Daljit Singh developed eye surgery, and Dushan Singh Vora built the first artificial limb center. Chinese folk religion. Ancient Chinese people developed medicine through the Zhou dynasty and discovered and mastered magnetism with lodestone, eventually inventing the compass. Babylonian paganism. The ancient Babylonians developed solar and lunar calendars that are still used today, and invented the base 60 system and calculated the value of pi and calculated the movements of celestial bodies. Persian paganism. Ancient Persians developed science such as with electrochemical processes with the Baghdad battery, and invented refrigeration methods with yakchuls and razors. Advanced fermentation. Mesopotamian paganism. Ancient Mesopotamians made scientific advancements such as water clocks, the wheel, and studied irrigation. Aztec paganism. Aztec pagans developed science with a solar calendar and had herbal medicines for heart conditions. Confucianism. Confucians helped advanced astronomy with the prediction of solar eclipses. Confucians were also inspired to do medicine with concepts of Ren, He, and Xiao, and developed engineering with early forms of printing. Buddhism. Buddhists have significantly contributed to the study of neuroscience, with meditation practices like Tummo meditation allowing monks to control their own body temperature. Neolithic Brythonic paganism. Stonehenge predicts the sunrise and sunset with equinox calculations. Shintoism. The ancient Japanese people who followed Shintoism developed metalworking through the Yayoi, Kofun, and Asuka periods and built lantern clocks. Inuit religion. The Inuit people had scientific knowledge such as star patterns by tracking the North Star polaris and thermal regulation in igloos. Ancient Shona religion. In ancient Zimbabwe, mathematics was developed with the Lebombo bone, and architecture and metallurgy was centuries ahead of surrounding nations. Ancient Celtic paganism. Ancient Celts had scientific knowledge such as metalworking, astronomy with calendars, and medicine for intestinal worms and arthritis. Thanks for watching. I will make my next video about the problem of animal suffering.